Hi everyone, in this lecture series we are going to see about the programmable interval timer. Programmable interval timer IC number is 8253. So was a chip. It was used in the IBM PC, but starting with the IBM, the previous number that has been replaced as 8253. So 8253 and 84 have exactly the same pin out. 8254 is a superset of 8253. Programmable interval timer. This programmable interval timer consists of three independent 16-bit counters. Here, each counter is capable of counting the binary or the BCD with a maximum frequency of 10 MHz. Here, we are having three timers. Each timer has the maximum frequency of 10 MHz. For what purpose we are using this timer means it is used for controlling the real-time events such as real-time clock, events counter and motor speed and direction control. Usually decoded a port address 40H to 43H and it has some following functions. So the purpose of the timer is to generates a basic interrupt timer that occurs approximately 18.2 hertz. So here we are using the dynamic RAM memory that has to be refreshed. Here we are going to provide a timing source to the speaker and the other devices. So this is the pin diagram. So it consists of the data bus buffer D0 to D7. So apart from that we are having the read-write logic. In read-write control logic we are having the read-write A0, A1. Another one will be chip select. We are having VCC and ground. So here we are having three counters, that is counter 0, counter 1 and counter 2. So here we are having the pins of clock 0, clock out, another one is gate. So here the data bus is bidirectional. It is used to transmit the data and receive the data. Apart from that we are having the control word register. So these are all the blocks that has been connected to the 8-bit internal bus. Here inside the timer we are having three counters. So each timer works independently and programmed separately. Each counter is assigned an individual port address. The control register is common and it has the own port. So we are having A1, A0, another one is CS. So based on the chip select, that is low and high level, if it is 0, 0, the counter 0 port has been activated. If it is 0, 1, counter 1. If it is 1, 0, counter 2. If it is 1, 1, control register. So both or in don't care the timer that has not been selected. Programmable interval timer, that is 8251, we are having the address inputs. So the address inputs are allocated as 00011011. So the function that has been occurred with the help of the address bits what we have assigned. Clock. So what is the function of the clock means it is the timing source for each of the counters and it is connected to the PCLK signal from the bus controller. The chip select, so the chip select pin enables 8254 for programming and reading and writing to a counter. So here we are having the gate G that controls the operation of the counter in some modes of operation. So what is the purpose of the clock? It is nothing but the input clock frequency. The range is between 0 and 2 megahertz for the 8253. If it is higher than 2 megahertz, 8254 must be used. So the 8254 can be as 8 megahertz and it can go up to 10 megahertz out. It can have square wave one shot and other square shape waves for various duty cycles, but no sine wave or the sawtooth shapes. So the function of the gate pin. So what is the function of the gate pin means it is used to enable and disable the counter. As I said that we are having the data bus buffer D0 to D7, so it is bidirectional bus. It is connected to the system data bus. Read and write or connected to the IO read and IO write control signals of the system bus. So each of the three counters must be programmed separately, and it has to be initialized before that has been used. So ground, as we know that it connects to the system ground bus. Out, it is one of the counter output where the waveform has been generated by the timer. Read, it causes the data to be read from the 5-4, and it is also connects to that of the IO read signal. The power supply, it is nothing but plus VCC. Write causes the data to be written and connects to that of the IO write signal. Thank you.